Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a stock item. In the previous video I showed how to create a service item. In this video I'll be showing how to create a stock item. So from the home page you click on the stock model, scroll down to items and pricing and select item. Next thing you do is click on add item. Now you can impute this to save, but we would edit in full form. So by default, the maintain stock is already checked. So what this means is that whatever item I create now is a physical item. So here I just put in the item. So let's say t-shirt. Here I specify the item group if it's a product. So I select products. And then here I can select the default unit of measurement. So if it's pieces or pairs or numbers, you can specify. So you can also create a UOM if it's not there, but I'll just stick to numbers. And then here, as the point of creating the item, you can also specify the opening stock you have available. So let's say you have 50 of this. You can put in the valuation rate, which is the cost price. So if it's, let's say 300 naira, I can also put in the standard selling rate, let's say 1000. And then here you can come to put further details like the brand or the description. So if there's a particular brand, you can create it on the software, and for description you can either leave it blank or put in more information about this particular product. Then if it's it has an expiry date, you can mention, but if not, you can just leave this. So at this point we can save so that the item is created. Okay, so the item name should also be t-shirt. Let's save that. Yeah. So here you can set the auto reorder level. So for you to do this, you would have already created your warehouses. So let's expand this. So you can request for a particular warehouse. So if it's, for example, the finished goods warehouse, the reorder level, that's at what level does the system need to initiate a request. So let's say at 100, and then reorder quantity is what quantity the system should initiate in the material request. So let's say 500, and then it just shows material request type purchase. Then here you can also define the expense account and the income account. So if you have a special income account for this item, you can specify it here. You can select the option here, but if not, you just select your generic sales income account. And then if there's also a specific expense account, you can select it, and also your cost center and default cost center, buying cost center, and default selling cost center. So you can select all those options here, and the default warehouse will most likely be the default warehouse on the software. So if you need to change that, you can also do that here. So the essence of setting up these defaults is so that whenever you are transacting with the stock item, the system knows where to post the income leg, the expense leg, the cost center leg, to ensure that your reports come out correctly. So that's the essence of setting these defaults. So right now we've created this item and we can use it for transactions. So this was the 50 that we brought in, so we can use it for transactions. Thank you.